Hey everyone, today we're making a popular broasted chicken or fried chicken. If you've ever visited Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, this will be familiar to you. Baik chicken is a fried chicken outlet unique to this region. The local KFC is no competition for this favorite mouth-watering fried chicken. It's beyond delicious and I'm sure everyone wants to know the secret. I believe it's the ingredients they use and obviously the quality of chicken, of course. They may have a secret that we will never know too. Like many, I remember the taste of albaik chicken with much fondness. We would have it perhaps every other week while growing up. When I moved to Singapore, I loved to taste all the new foods here, fantastic flavors and new experiences. But fried chicken is never going to get better than albaik. Here's my take on the recipe.